Today I'm gonna make fun, healthy, high protein meals for breakfast. I'm gonna make an omelette breakfast wrap situation. So first I'm gonna chop 4 mushrooms and 1 bell pepper. I'm making breakfast also for Aaron, so this makes 2 servings. I also chopped a green onion and a handful of fresh basil. Now I'm gonna crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Next, I add a pinch of salt and pepper and whisk. Then I add half of the vegetables onto a pan. And next I pour half of the egg mixture on top. Then I add shredded cheese on top. And next I'm adding an oat tortilla. I let it cook for a few minutes on each side. Here's the ready breakfast wrap, so let's try it out. It's really good and it took less than 15 minutes to make, so great high protein breakfast idea. I'm making Mexican chicken salad for lunch. So first I'm gonna make marinade for the chicken. So we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using garlic infused olive oil. It's a fun way to add some flavor and it's IBS friendly. But if you don't have IBS, you could add also some garlic powder to the marinade. Then you can add 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. But since I have IBS and I can't eat garlic, onion, so I'm gonna make my own spice mix. So first I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of paprika spice and 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, that's good, pinch of chili flakes, about a half a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Then I let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the chicken is marinating. I'll make the dressing for the salad and chop the vegetables. For the dressing, we need Greek yogurt, garlic infused olive oil, paprika spice, ground cumin, a pinch of salt, and honey, and lime juice. For the salad, we need tomatoes, jalapeno, black beans, corn, and green onions. But if you don't have IBS, you can replace the green onions with a red onion. I'm making 3 servings, so that 1 extra serving will be then Aaron's lunch tomorrow. But now I'm gonna chop the tomatoes and the jalapeno. Then I cook the chicken for about 4 minutes per side. Then I just add all the ingredients for the salad into a big bowl. I have some lettuce here at the bottom. And next I add the chicken and black beans and corn and tomatoes and chopped jalapeno and chopped green onions, and lastly the dressing. And here is the ready lunch. I made that extra serving of the salad into this glass jar. The dressing is at the bottom so the veggies won't get soggy. For dinner, I'm gonna make sushi cups. So I have some salmon cubes here in the bowl. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce and 1 teaspoon of light mayo and a pinch of salt. Next, I mix 1 cup of cooked rice with rice vinegar. And for the sauce that goes on top, we need Greek yogurt, hot sauce, light mayo, and a pinch of salt. Next, we need to cut nori sheets into smaller squares. I have 3 nori sheets here, and I'm just going to cut them into 4 pieces. Then we need a muffin pan, and we're going to top each nori square with the rice. And then we'll place them into the greased muffin pan cavities. And then I add the cubed salmon on top. Here are the ready sushi cups. I top them with the sauce. And chopped chives. I like to serve them with cucumber and avocado. These are such a fun and tasty dinner. Aaron loves ice cream and it was his birthday last week, so I got him a Ninja Creamy and he's been obsessed. He's been testing out different flavors literally every day. For today, we made us a chocolate protein ice cream. So how this machine works, so day before you mix all the ingredients together for your ice cream, and then you let it set in the freezer for 24 hours, and then before using the machine you let it sit in room temperature for about 15 minutes. And then we choose the ice cream mode. after that it looks like this. But what we've learned is that you'll get the creamiest ice cream when after this point you add a little bit of milk or yogurt, making a hole to the center. This time I'm going to try out both, so I'm going to add a splash of milk, a little bit of yogurt, and then we respin. Those were all the meals I had today. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. If you're looking for more easy, healthy recipes, check out my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!